Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Magento connector in SmartConnect. For this we have to find this documentation for set up Magento connector where we can download the JSON file. Click here to download the file. From the downloaded file, remember to extract. For the next step, we move to SmartConnect. Click on Maintenance, REST Services, Import REST Service, select File, Magento JSON file, service name Magento Web Shop. Now you can see available entities. Process import, Magento Web Shop import successful. Edit the Magento Web Shop. We have an option to change new logo for the web shop. New service image uploaded. Click on variables. We have to find our Magento store URL and replace with the store name value. Copy the Magento store URL. For the store name value section, paste the Magento store URL. Click Save. Setup success. Next, move to Connector. Create connection. Name it Magento Web Shop. Under the instruction, we have the steps to create a Magento token. Let's move to Magento. System, Integration, add new integration, admin password, click on API. I'm going to select all resources, click on Save and Activate. Allow all resource access. Access token is created. Copy the access token. Move back to SmartConnect. Go under the header, authentication, there, paste the new access token. Click Save. REST instance saved successfully. To verify the connection, let's move to Data Source, Query, create query for Magento Web Store Data Source. All products, Magento Web Shop is the connector, Inventory is the category, Group, All Product, select field, and to take name, price, SKU, click OK. Validate. The product name on this preview screen should match with the product you have in your Magento store. If you enjoy watching this video, let us know. Thank you very much.